welcome to Customer's Vlog. This is called Taksim Square. Okay, so let me show how it looks like when we exactly spotted to Taksim Square. Okay, so we will move to the very famous street. It's called Istiklal Street. So we will explore what kinds of shops are there and how we can enjoy this beautiful street. Here we go. This is the street we will start with. Let's move on. On the left side, this new building is just building up, and this is looking to be very nice and historical. Yeah, we will move forward because we're gonna capture a lot of things in the street, so we will be very quick. So we don't gonna waste your time. So first thing first, I would like to take my ice cream here because I like this ice cream flavor here in Burger King. So after that we will move on. So guys, starting with Istiklal Street, we have Lucastre brand, and there are some more brands along with that. Super Step and Sweet Watis and the Gas brand, and many more brands you're gonna see in this Istiklal Street and startup. And let me show you the Hafiz Mustafa 1864. This is a so expensive and so famous brand in sweets here. Let me show you it's a variety here. Okay guys, let's move on. This is the place where you can take photos. Okay, we will move quickly because we're gonna capture a lot of things, guys. Yes, it's the latest brand. Let's check it out for ladies. Okay guys, what do we have here? Royal and different brand, different things. Ladies, you're gonna enjoy this. It's your stuff, guys. Okay, you're gonna be so good for this. Ladies and women like jewelry and women. Guys, you can get this all of things here in this story This is so beautiful. This is I think antique shops over there. Yeah, this is an entering of a good-looking, I reckon, plaza or something, on a restaurant or whatever. I don't know what. Let's explore it. Okay. First of all, you can see the antique places and things from over here. We have the sweets, and here we have mugs and everything on Turkish culture. So here's the plaza over here. This is beautiful things. I think this is a restaurant, I think so. Okay, let's move. Maybe they're not allowed to capture things. Well, this cloth is so nice. Maybe. Okay guys, let's move. What we have here, we have a train is running and rushing on to our side. This is the famous train in Istiklal Street. You can see it in the right of this train, and this is our little kids are joining the train over there. Oh, what we have, it's a crossover of the train, and we will show you the crossover of the train. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. This is the crossover of the train. I was new that there are two trains. I was thinking there's one train, but I just came to know this is two trains actually. So good to see. Well, there's a museum. I think there. This is a museum, I reckon. Maybe this one is. Okay, I don't know. They're gonna start when they start. Hi. The kid is just shaking hi to us, to everyone, and we didn't reply then. Okay, let's move on. Okay guys, so here is the foreigners and they are enjoying their train journey. Okay, we are running to our destination. As I told earlier, there are a lot of street culture in Istiklal Street, but we will pretty show the main street. This is the potatoes. This is a copycat shop of the original one. We will show you in our shop, but let's explore the beautiful things in the club. Okay, what we have is so nice. You see, this is beautiful art and the decoration pieces over there. This is so nice. We just saw the train outside and we saw the inside as well. Okay, we have more. You see this little yellow taxi is going around and around and around. You see that? Yeah. Okay, what we have here? Okay, this is so nice. This is a mat over here. This is a motorbike, and this is so nice when we have in our table. And inshallah, I will put one thing on my table also. Okay guys, let's move forward because we have to cover a lot of things. So let's go to the, oh, you didn't see the catty cat. Here is our catty. Okay guys, now moving on to our journey to Istiklal Street. Here's the original potatoes shop, the famous one in Turkey, and you have seen in YouTube for many times. Here is the shop actually. Let me show you how it looks like. Yeah. This is our butter and cream. Butter now. This is the cheese. They're putting in the cheese actually. Okay, got it. Okay guys, let's move on. This is the potatoes I want to show you. This is the Gap, shop. This is the plaza where we find more things. I will explore it in later. First we go to the street because it's gonna be evening, and so I'm gonna show you the more and more in this Istiklal Street. This is another shop at tourists, and guess what? This is a Nike shop. So when we go upstairs, this is a very nice view. When we go upstairs and this plaza, so this is a food court and a food court as well. We got a lot of variety in there. So inshallah we will explore later. Let's go to our destiny. This is a candy shop. It's so nice. Actually, I bought something for my kids, but this is very expensive. You can see the guy, he's just sitting around with the guy. Okay, I'm gonna show you the metro station here because if someone is visiting here end of the street, so he may be a little tired. So if he want to go to their destiny, so he can join a metro here. Okay, here is the metro. Got it? See shine. See the metro. So people can join here to get back. I think it's good covering for today. So we'll go to the metro and we'll capture another areas tomorrow.